Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unfreeze a frozen TikTok account. But before I show you how to do this, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up your TikTok. There, go to the top right on the hamburger menu, settings and privacy, and scroll down until you see support. You want to click on support and then on safety center to see, and then account status to see how your account is performing. So as you can see, it's in good way. Another way is just to reinstall TikTok. So delete it and install it once again. And the final way is that you go back, settings, report a problem, and then basically just chat with TikTok, let them know what is the problem, and they are going to help you that way. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.